Yeah, SAN Communications, due to the market space, we're doing a lot of cabling work now for customers because they are moving from traditional technology, ISDN and PBXs. They are wanting new networks running, so they don't want to put all of their voice and data on the same broadband. Yeah, so their current Cat5 is limited just to data only. So we're having to do a lot more cabling while on site, and some of the environments we cable in are quite challenging. But through detailed training that we've given our guys, and also the fact they are a younger dynamic of engineer, they're quite happy to run cables in any kind of environment that they're working in. We also offer customers a decommission of their old system as well, which is a challenge for certain customers because they don't know what they should or shouldn't be touching, and they see that as a value add. And at most direct installations that we're doing, we'll provide a comms cabinet, which is a safe area for businesses to put all of their router PoE switches, so people within the business can't unplug things and cause issues within the networks, i.e. no voice or no data enabled to work. Something I like to add as well is our cablers don't just cable generic office areas, which are generally quite a nice environment to cable. We do some very challenging installations of cabling, which other suppliers struggle with, such as large warehouse areas, whereby we might be on site for 2 to 3 days at heights with cherry pickers. We're fine completing that scope of works for end user customers as well.